Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Machine Learning Masterclass Series Day 30. And in this session, we're going to be covering up the concept which is AI snake game design using reinforcement learning. And I hope you guys are super excited for our final day of the series. So if you guys are super excited, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat. And before going on to the session further, I really want to tell you something. Yes, today is the live session, guys. I'm here live today. Okay, it is not a recorded live session, it is a live. Okay, so I think you can able to hear me, right? So you just give your responses in the live chat how much excited you are on this last final day. And before going on to this further, I really want to congratulate and I really want to appreciate you people because it's not very easy to attend 30 days of live session with the consistency, with the focus, with that dedication towards learning. I really very happy, feeling very happy. Thank you so much for being here in this final day of the event, and thank you so much for to become successful people that you guys have completed this 30 days challenge on machine learning. So what you guys do is you just post great applause emojis. Okay, just please post applause emojis in the live chat to appreciate each and every people who are all out there and the people who are all about to join in this final day at last. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. So before going on to the session, since it is the final day, I really wanted to interact with you a lot. You can ask a lot of questions regarding any technology or any mindset or any kind of suggestion, any kind of question you can ask to me in this today's session. At last, the Q&A part. So before that, I really wanted to welcome the people present here. Hi, Pamela. Hi, Majnoon. Hi, sir. Baffa Sani. Hi, sir. It's me, Niraj. Hi, Aishwarya. Hi. Daniel, hi. Alpha Pavan, hi. Anshal, hi. Jim, hi, sir. And Maxwell, hi, sir. Good to meet you again after it's been a long days. And Sony, hi. And Dajver, hi, sir. Machrun, hi. Kavindu, hi. Niranjan, hi. And Kida, hi. Aishwarya, and Farkan, and Niranjan, and it's me, Niraj, and Pamela, and Rainbow Fun Music, and Yashraj, and Abhijit, hi. Farkan, hi. Amazing classes till now. Thank you so much for posting that. So thank you. And Alpha Pavan, thank you so much for your efforts. Thank you so much, guys. Abhijit, nice to meet you too. And Avdesh Kumar, hi. Okay, let us begin the session. Before that, as same as like there is an announcement. So attendance link will be available in between the live session. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, please don't rush for the attendance form. And before going further, how many of you people have played snake games in the old keypad mobile phones? How many of you guys have played? If you guys have played, you just post I played Sanjay in your live chat. Yes, it's been amazing days, right? Where we used to borrow our neighbors' a mobile phone and we used to play that snake game and we used to have fun a lot, right? But nowadays, if you are giving that game to the baby out there, nowadays they'll just simply throw away that mobile phone, right? Yeah. So what we are going to do is we are going to create the snake game which is gonna be completed by itself, which is with the help of the like reinforcement learning. I hope you already know about what is mean by reinforcement learning is. So people out there, you just give your responses in the live chat like what is the example we guys have gone through to know about reinforcement learning. You just give your responses in the live chat. Yes, Ashutosh, I played. Yes, and Jem played. Wonderful. Deepak played. And Akida played. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Thank you so much for your responses. Yeah. So we are going to create that game. To create a game, first of all, we need some of the libraries, as we already know while talking about a Python programming. What are all the functionality which you wanted to do? That can be done with the help of libraries. So on that aspects, here we are going to create that design of that game, that UI and the functionality part and those stuff. To create that, we are gonna have that Pygame library. Okay, so pip space install space Pygame. I hope you already know how to install the library by opening the command prompt as an administrator and just simply type pip space pip space install space Pygame. With the help of that, you will complete the installation of Pygame library. Okay, so yes, wonderful. Nikhil, hello Sanjay, nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I hope you all remember that snake game. So before that, I just asked that question, that reinforcement learning, right? So while talking about the reinforcement learning, we guys have learned that reinforcement learning by having the example called Tom and Jerry cartoons. How many of you people remember that? If you all remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, come out from the zone. Hi, guys, are you there? Please come out from the zone and try to interact with me on the live chat because it's the live. Okay, a lot of people have asked to conduct the live. Please make use of it. Okay, please interact with me as much you can. Okay, yeah. So while talking about that, like while talking about that Tom and Jerry cartoon, so what we guys have discussed, the first task is to observe the environment. First of all, observe an environment, make an action. If the action is positive, get the reward. If the action is negative, you're going to get the punishment. That is what the reinforcement learning is. Same as like while comparing with the snake game. So the people who posted I have played, you just tell me what are all the challenges. So like while creating that while or if you're going to start playing that snake game, what are all the challenges, what is the rules and regulations, you just give that responses in the live chat. Okay, because that can be achieved with the help of reinforcement learning. Because if you just imagine this is just a snake, and if it is going to strike the wall nearby, and if it moved one step forward, then it is going to get the strike onto the wall. So it is a negative action, so it is going to get the punishment. The value is going to be reduced from the certain threshold, so it won't take that decision. Instead, if it is taking the left side, so what is going to be the possibilities and the forecoming possibilities, like seeing the steps, like before 100 steps, or after the 100 steps. Okay, that is what it's all about. So if the action is positive, then it is going to get the reward. The value is going to be incremented from the threshold value. If the action is negative, then it is going to get the punishment. That is what the reinforcement learning is. Okay. Yes, the first one, collecting eggs and without biting. Yes, exactly. The person who posted that answer is Deepak. Yes, wonderful answer. And Nikhil God, you can't touch snake's body. Yes, exactly. Without biting its own tail. Exactly. You will never allow the snake bite itself. Exactly. Why the borders and the body of the snake? Yes, you guys have told me a lot of things. I'm just expecting a lot. You just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, first of all, while imagining the task, there is gonna be a play area. Okay, the play area is like square play area. Okay, you live today, Sanjay? Yes. Daniel, yes, I'm live today. Yeah. So there is gonna be one play area. Okay, one square or rectangle, whatever. Just play area is there, and inside the play area, some dot, which is nothing but egg or fruit, whatever. So that egg is gonna be placed randomly in that play area. That is what the second task. And the third task, one snake, a small tiny snake is gonna be there. It is gonna move continuously. Only we can do is we can change its direction. We can't able to stop it. Okay, that is gonna be your third challenge. And fourth challenge is whenever you are navigating that snake through your four arrow keys, like up, down, and left and right, whenever you are eating that egg, which is nothing but whenever your snake's mouth is crossing the coordinates where the egg is, the snake's body need to be grown. Okay, that snake need to be grown little bit, one step growth. So growth should be occurred. So that is what the fourth challenge, right? So snake should grow whenever it is eating its egg, and whenever it is striking the wall, yes, game over. That is the fifth challenge. And the sixth challenge is whenever it is striking its own tail, game over, right? So these are all the challenges which is out there in the snake game. On the other hand, what is the intelligence it should have is, for an example, what is if there is a wall is there, okay, if there is a wall, and if there is an egg here, it can reach that egg directly. But if there is, like, it need to check the possibilities. If I go in that way, it is gonna be the very difficult situation where I can't able to wander around the spaces a lot. So on the time, instead of choosing the shortest path, you need to choose the longest path. So based on the current situation, based on by observing the current environment, it need to make a continuous action or continuous decision to occupy the maximum play area as much it can. So that is what the major part, right? So while talking about the snake, what is the which condition you may tell you are the winner of that game? So which condition, which is nothing but the snake should occupy the whole play area of the snake play area of that snake game, right? So that is what the snake game is all about. I hope you are clear with the snake game. If you are clear with the snake game, you just post, I'm clear, Sanjay, in your live chat. So that is what the snake game which we are going to create. Like I have two source code. One is manual snake game, which I'm going to be playing with the help of the mouse cursor, keyboard, four arrow keys, and also a snake game, which is also going to be deployed. So which is not very coding in depth, which is just simply using some of the pre-built code which is already out there. We are just simply going to change some of the algorithms and we are going to observe how it is going to work. So that is what it's all about. And yes, we guys have already explored the reinforcement learning as well. And while talking about this concept, while talking about the snake movement, it need to choose sometimes shortest path and sometimes you need to choose longest path. So path solver uses breadth first search to find the shortest path. I hope you guys have studied in our school days. I think so. Yeah. So and intuitively we accept the path to be as straight as possible. So there will be less scattered empty points on the map. Yes. Well, talking about the shortest path. So if the snake want to travel from one place to another, the shortest path is nothing but straight. Okay. So which is direct straight without any like turnover, so with the straight thing which is known as a shortest path, right? And the trick for implementing is that during each iteration the adjacent point in the last transverse direction will be transversed first. So the point is going to be adjusted continuously based on each and every movement so that it will move on to the straight line to achieve the shortest path. And it does not mean that with the help of the shortest path itself we can play that snake game, because you just imagine if the egg is here and if the snake's head is here, it can choose the shortest path to easily eat the egg. But that is not the destination, right? The destination is that snake should occupy the whole play area, right? So on that situation, so when it should need to choose shortest path and when you need to choose the longest path, these are the conditions out there. So only shortest path is not going to be really helpful for completing this game. We also need to get help from the longest path as well. So with the help of that longest path as well, which is nothing but to find the nearby data points which is out there, and it is gonna take the alternative path maximum as much it can, so that it can occupy the whole complete area. Suppose we want to find the longest path from point A to point B on 4x4 game map. Then the solver first finds the shortest path between the 2 points and then extend each pair of the path pieces until no extension can be found. So how this longest path is really working, which is nothing but, for an example, if this is the egg and if this is the snake which is out there, so if this want to reach this one, then in the longest path scenario, then first of all you need to find out the shortest path. So this is the shortest path, straight way to reach the egg. So that is what the first step, and then it is going to extend this data point which is in between this egg and then snake until it can't able to find out that extension points. So that is that coordinate which is known as the longest path. So with the help of that, it will choose the longest path to solve the problem. And while talking about that, there are a lot of algorithms which is out there. The first algorithm, which is a greedy algorithm. While talking about the path solver, you just see the graph which is out there. So the picture which is out there is 7. So 7 is, you just imagine the current data point. On the left hand side there is a 3, and on the right hand side there is 12, for an example. So by simply observing this, we can able to simply make a decision. Okay, the shortest path is 3, so we can go to the shortest path. But it is not the right scenario, because it also need to look for the upcoming data points as well. So upcoming data points is the 99 and the 6. Okay, while talking about the longest path, we can able to simply make a decision. Okay, so 7, 12 versus 3. 12 is the biggest number, so we'll choose 12. No, if you are choosing that, it is going to be the shortest path, because the another upcoming data point which is going to be 6, which is very much lesser than 99. So with the help of that, this is the scenario where it is going to see the upcoming data point as well. That is what this path solver, which is all about, the greedy path solver. Okay, do you really love this explanation? If you really love this session, you just post, I love the Sanjay in your live chat. So this is how it will work on. So instead of choosing 12, it is going to choose 3, because actually while comparing with the 4 coming distance data points, it is going to make a decision to choose this 3 to the 99, because this is the actual longest path while comparing with 7 to the 12 and 6. Okay, so that is what it's all about, greedy path solver. And while talking about this greedy path solver in snake game, the snake to eat the food along the shortest path if it thinks the snake will be safe. Yes, So if it is just observing, yes, if this is the shortest path, if there is any possibility of where the snake might bite its own tail, then it need to choose the next possible shortest path, and next, or else it will go for the longest path. So otherwise, it makes the snake wander around until a safe path can be found. As it needs path searching, it depends on the path solver. Same as like there is also another kind of path solver algorithms like Hamilton. So Hamilton path is a directed path in a directed or undirected path that visits each vertex exactly only once. So which is like a vertex where it will move on to like 0 1 3 2 or 0 1 2 3. The problem to check whether a graph contains a Hamilton path is NP complete. So is the problem of finding all the Hamilton paths in the graph. So we're talking about the graph which is all the Hamilton paths, like which is going to take only one step for each and every grid which is out there in the like play area, where it is going to be like the path movement is going to be around the path movement is going to be around 0 to 1 or 0 to 1 2 3 or else 0 1 3 2. So the path is going to be like that. Only thing is it is going to be like one step movement around the data points, and this is going to be done with the help of deep Q learning. While talking about this Q learning, which is like which is going to learn the action value function, how good to take an action at a particular state. For an example, let me show something. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so for an example, let us imagine like how it is going to work with this play area. For an example, okay, just you just observe this picture. Okay, so let us see this picture. I think you can able to see this, right? Can you able to see this, guys? If you can able to see this, you just post I can see Sanjay in your live chat. Can you able to see this? Nikhil got posted. Waitel a lot for live session, quite interactive and easy to follow. Super, super, super. Okay, thanks for coming live by Deepak. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. So, guys, you just observe this picture. While talking about the if the movement is need to be done for what is it? It's like for black. Okay, if the black want to be moved now. So if it is not, if he or she is not moving this queen which is out there, because already check is being deployed here, but now there are some possibilities where the coin need to be moved. So if that is the scenario, there are a lot of ways where the coin can be moved. So for an example, this can be moved one step forward, or this can be moved behind, or you can strike this one with the help of this coin. So there are so that is what the scenario. So checking the possible ways where it can move or not, that is what the action function, action value function. So how good the action which it can take. For an example, if the movement is need to be done for the black, what the black can do, the perfect action value, which is instead of moving queen to here. So for an example, what is it? Like for an example, if king, so if I want to move the king, so I can move the king here, or I can move the king here. Or while talking about the queen, I can move the queen here, I can move the queen here, or else I can strike this horse with the help of this coin. But what is the problem is if it strike this, yes, it is safe scenario, but there are a lot of possibilities where this queen can strike our queen. So what we can do, what is the best solution? We can make a best solutions like to keep the king here so that it can't able to strike this queen. So because if the queen strikes our queen, we can also strike his queen as well, right? So that is what the checking out. Okay, that is what to finding out the best action value. Okay, so I hope you really understood what I'm trying to tell. Okay, I'm really sorry some people are not good at chess. No problem, I just explaining that. Okay, the possible ways. So that is what this Q learning, which is going to learn the action value, how good to take an action at a particular state. For an example, if this is the like okay, so let us see some snake game play. I don't know how the image is gonna come. Okay, yeah, so this is how it looks like. Okay, this looks different. Yeah, you just see here there are, if this is the snake game scenario where this snake can move directly and come here and easily eat this egg. But it need to also look for what is the best way where it can occupy the whole space. What it can do is, so instead of moving here to here to here, what it can do is it can move completely directly to the down and go here and go little up and go little up and then again the third step up, so that it will occupy the whole play area. Okay, I hope you understood. If you understood, you just post I understood Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the action value. So to learn the action value, the best action value, we used to have the technique called Q learning. So additionally, to understand about the deep concepts like high dimensional values, to understand about that, it is going to be combined with a deep learning, deep neural network as well. So which it's gonna use deep Q learning to solve this snake game. So that is what the reinforcement learning is all about. I hope you really loved it. If you really loved my explanation, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting I understood Sanjay. Thank you so much for mentioning my name as well. Okay, so are you guys all ready for just to see the demo on that? Okay, are you all ready? Okay, so first of all, let me show you some demonstration on manual snake game. Okay, this source code zip file, which is gonna be given only for the internship participants. I hope you already know that. So I'm going to run this manual snake game. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to control this. I'm just going to play this snake game with the help of my my keyboard arrow keys. Okay, so just see here, I'm just playing with the help of these arrow keys. I hope it really looks awesome. You just post your comments in the live chat how it really looks like. Okay, so my gameplay is not that much good, right? My movement is not that much precise. Okay, I'm just getting that scary moment of getting striking into the wall. Okay, so I'm just playing. Okay, so at the big side of this gameplay area, you can able to see that values which is changing on the command window, which is nothing but the coordinates of the snake's movement. So which is just occurring. You just see here whenever it is just moving. So beside the coordinates is also moving. Just printed that coordinates. Okay, so on the top left corner, you can able to see the score which is being displayed there, so which is 10, which is the score of mine. Okay, so that's how it's working. This is like manual snake game which you are playing with the help of a Python programming and also with the help of the library called Pygame. Okay, I hope you really love this. So if you really love this, you just post I'm enjoying Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so this is what the manual AI snake game is all about. Okay, so yeah, so this is what is all about. Now what we are going to do is we are going to deploy this for AI snake game. You just see here, I just game got over and my score was 17. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm going to do is let me show you the output first, AI snake game. Okay, let me run this. Okay, so just giving me some error. Okay, so invalid syntax. Okay, let me check it out, my Python version. Okay, so what we are just going to do is I think something is being changed on what is it? It's like it has been changed on another sub programs, but let me try this. Okay, just a warning. Yes, it's just working, started working. Okay, so let us see these results. Okay, just observe this. This is the gameplay area. Okay, you can able to see this black color square, which is called as being play area. And here we are also having a sliders where you can adjust the speed of the movement of the snake. You just see here, whenever I'm just making like this, it is moving really, really very fast. And I'm just reduced, so it is just moving very small. And the grid which is out there, the play area grid, which is in the shape of 8 cross 8, which is around 64 step 64 square, which is out there. You just see here my two hands are away from this keyboard and mouse. Okay, do you believe me? Okay, so yeah, so it's just running by itself. It's using greedy part solver to run this application. It's just playing by itself. And if you don't have any patience to watch over how it is playing, what you can simply do is you can increase the speed where it can move very fast to complete the snake game. Okay, so guys, how it is it amazing? Okay, so the game got over, but it is also not that much good because there are a lot of leftovers out there. So let us run this program again. So I'm just pressing R to restart it. Okay, I'm just keeping the hand like this. Okay, just see here, it's just playing by itself. Okay, so guys, is it amazing? You just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, yeah, just playing really very fast, and it is just moving. I think it can achieve very good results now. I think so. Not sure, but let us check. That is playing very fast, and yes, it's really going very good. Yeah, it is like continuously it is running on some point where this algorithm got striked out or got stuck in some points. Okay, even though the steps was increasing, it just doesn't work well. Okay, let me run this again. Yeah, so this is what is all about the reinforcement learning, where it is just making a decision really very fast. Okay, this is what how the greedy algorithm, the performance is really good. As same as like if you really want to change into the Hamilton, simply you can change that keyword. Yes, game over. You just see here how much steps it takes to complete this game. It took 671 steps to complete this full game, with the length which is having 8 cross 8, which is 64 pixels. So length of 64, it occupied the complete play area. So that is what the AI snake game is. I hope you really love this. And same as like you can also change it to Hamilton. I think Hamilton is not working now. I think some problem with some library or coding updations, so that I've already told you, because the same program which I already ran before, but now it is, yeah, okay, so it's working now. Yeah, let me show that output. So this is how the same application, but it is using Hamilton path solver algorithm. Okay, it is really perfect, right? So it just done completely with which is really superb, right? So this is how the Hamilton. So if you really want to change the algorithm, you can simply change what algorithm you want to use. Do we want to use greedy? You can simply change the name into greedy. If you really want to use Hamilton, you can change that into Hamilton here. So simply it will use the subprogram which is present in the snake subfolder which is out there. So you can also use the program. If you are from internship participants, you can simply download it and you can have a hands-on throughout this. Okay, so I hope you really enjoyed this. If you really enjoyed this, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so amazing speed. Love this, Sanjay. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, so that is what it's all about. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, you can ask your questions in the live chat. It's time to interact a lot. And guys, do you really love mindset session, or you all really expecting a mindset session from me? If you are really waiting for it, you just post I need Sanjay in your live chat so that I can share some mindset session to you. Okay, so most of the time Python update program upgrade version, and it never support old version program. Yeah, that's because you already told the answer, which is nothing but the guys have upgraded their library, or you might upgraded your library's version. So if you want to, if it want to work perfectly without any errors, stick with the version when it really worked. Okay, stick with every version. If you are changing any one library version which is related to that program, definitely it might give an error. Okay, I enjoyed Sanjay. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Great. Action. I'm sorry, I don't have. I don't think so. We want some mindset session. Okay, so let me share some mindset session, guys. How many of you guys have read this book, Atomic Habits? So if you guys have read this book, you just post I read this Sanjay in your live chat. If you guys haven't read this book, you just post I haven't Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So Daniel, very happy to see you today live. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. How to select an algorithm to forecast using historical data of logistic. It's about the tuning method which you need to use. So where there are a lot of other auto tuners which is out there, which it can able to choose the best algorithm, which best tuning parameters also it can choose. So we no need to test and trial, like we know to do that. So you can also use some auto tuner. So just check it out about auto tuner. So where it can choose the best algorithm with best parameter to choose for the best model to get the better accuracy with very less loss. Okay, so yeah, so I haven't unable to, I have read. Yes, some people have read, some people have posted I haven't read. Okay, so guys, well, talking about this atomic habit, this is going to be really helpful. Before that, I really want to share, or I really want to talk about something. So guys, how many people are really out there who are all thinking about like, Sanjay, I'm starting something and I'm not completing it, or I really wanted to go to gym every day, but I'm just missing out. Or people used to think like, I want to complete this subject, but I'm not completing it. I really want to make book reading as a habit, but I can't able to do that. I'm just giving up on some days. And Sanjay, I really want to have the very good foods, but I'm always used to take some junk food which I can't able to control by eating, right? So how many of people are really like that? If you are really like that, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat, because I am also like that. Yes, of course. Yeah, because this book is really gonna be really helpful on making that change. For an example, but as a normal people, we used to have some thought process running in our mind. If I want to make the big change, I want to do a lot of things which is really big and which is really hard. But this book, which is giving some note where it's just telling like, it does not need to have a big change to have, or to it does not need to do big action to make a big change. Because here the quote is like, why small habits make a big difference. The small habits can make a big difference. That is the quote which this book is going to be starting up with. Okay, so where it is also having some story like, in since 1908, British riders had won just a single gold medal at the Olympic Games. And they are really very bad at cycling as well, because the cycling race, they are really not that much good on the Olympics or any other events which is out there. Okay, so that is what the historical story. Okay, from the 1908, British riders have only one gold medal. Other than that, in 110 years, British cyclists had ever won the event. Okay, that is what the scenario. And then the people recruited a Braille's fraud as a coach for them. And you just tell me what he made to make that team to be a best team in the world. Okay, you just give you a suggestion, or your guesses, like what that coach made the team to do. Because as a normal people, we used to think that team haven't won in any sports event. Even Europe refused to sell their bikes to the team because the team is always losing. So we are not ready to sell the bikes to that British team. So likewise, like Europe made a statement as well. Okay, so but we usually think like that, right? So we need to make a lot of change because that team is really very poor at cycling. But do you really imagine this? He just made very fine changes, but it results in a really a great, remarkable change. Okay, do you really having an excitement what he did? Okay, if you guys having this excitement, you just post, I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, one team is there. The team's performance is really very poor in the past historical days. Now they just recruited one person who called Brailsford, who is gonna be the coach hereafter. And as a normal people, we used to think this is really very difficult because that team is really poor on the past days, and we need to work a lot. They need to train a lot. We used to increase their training time. They used to push towards them, towards success and like motivation. So we used to think in those ways, right? So very hard ways. But do you know what he did? He's having also some strategy, that name called the aggregation of marginal gains. Do you know what he did? Actually, what he did is, the first thing he did is, he just redesigned the bike's seat, okay, to give the 100% comfort for them while riding. Okay, that's what the first change he made. Do you really believe that the first change is, he just altered the altered the seats with great comfort for the riders. That's what the first change he made. And then he just rubbed alcohol on the tires to have a good friction towards the road. So that's what the second change he made. And the third change he made is like electrically heated overshots. So the riders used to wear some shorts, like he just used electrically heated shorts, because whenever the person used to ride, it might be in a different climatic condition, but to maintain the sustained very good temperature for their body, So they just he just used to he just made them to wear that electrically heated dress so that the temperature is gonna be maintained for those muscles, so that's also a great small change. And then he also made another change, like he also connected some biofeedback sensors to monitor their like monitor their like analysis, like comfort, how the comfort is, okay, what they are thinking, are they feeling comfortable, are they feeling are nervous, are they feeling uncomfortable, is it really looking weird for them. So that kind of mind level analysis also he just made to, by the help of bio or feedback sensor, he just placed bio feedback sensors for every riders. And also he okay, it is really a great thing. He also analyzed massaging gels, and he just made a decision like which gels having a good recovery rate for the muscles. So that analysis also he made. And also he hired a surgeon to teach how to wash their hands, so that so that the people can able to avoid to avoid their hand which has been catched by hook cold. Because whenever you are riding a bike on the night, or whenever you are riding the bike on the cold climate, your hand will be like chill cold, and you can't able to feel your hand, right? How many of people have experienced that, right? So that is like, okay, so that is that kind of changes he made. He even hired what is it hired a surgeon to just to how to wash a hand. You just imagine this, right? This is the change he made. And also he determined the type of pillow, what kind of pillow should be given for the riders, and what kind of mattress should be given for the riders to give 100% comfort, 100% deep sleep while they are sleeping. You really believe that that's gonna be giving the remarkable change? But he did that. And also he just even painted their the truck which they are in, which is completely white, which helped them spot little bit of dust that would normally slip by unnoticed, but could degrade the performance of the finely tuned bikes. So while talking about the truck used by the riders, the truck should be painted completely white without any dust particles, because if it is completely white, pure white, and some dust is there, it is going to be noticed very soon, right? So he even made them to paint that truck completely white without any cluster, without any dark spots, or some black or some dust which is out there. So he used to think that is also some kind of a clutter it will create there in the rider's mind. You just see this. So small kind of changes, it will make remarkable change on the people. So that is what the book used to talk about, and how to make a habits. So that is what the book is all about talking about. So if you guys have time, and if you guys have very few amount, you just spend your little money on purchasing this kind of book, okay? Start your new year before like by reading this book, okay? Because this will create a lot of impact in you. So take like to make some habit. For an example, if you want to make reading as a habit for you, what are all the tips? The tips in the sense like keeping your book nearby your pillow each and every day if you want to read a book on each and every night. And so likewise, it is really giving a lot information about this. You just try to read a book, okay? If you purchase this book, you just post it in the LinkedIn, and you can tag me through by putting that symbol. So yeah, so just do it, guys. Okay, if you really love this mindset, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so you just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so I hope you really enjoyed a lot, guys. If you really enjoyed a lot, and if it really made this 30 days event really made or gave a lot of insights to you, just give your responses in the live chat. I think a lot of people have came for attendance and they just left. Okay, don't worry about that. Them. Okay, I love this Sanjay by Jasmine, Daniel, and Deepak. Wonderful. Okay, so yeah, Daniel, I'm not sure about it. Definitely, will be knowing when you will be getting the sheet regarding the certificate. I'm really, I don't have any aware about it. Yes, Deepak. Yes, book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Yes, Jones. Love you too, guys. Love you guys. Raghuram, loved it. Wonderful. Hello world. Love the Sanjay. Wonderful, guys. Guys, if you guys have any doubts regarding any technical or any mindset or any technology, so you can also ask your questions in the live chat. Let us talk a little bit. Okay, it was a great session, and I highly appreciate the way you teach. Thank you so much. And another very important thing which you really want to do for me is, guys, what you just do is you just type Pantech solutions of Pantech.ai. Okay, there are a lot of Pantech divisions out there. So Pantech solutions, Pantech.ai. You just type like this in a Google. Okay, so there will be like reviews which will be coming out there. Yeah, wait a minute, it's not coming now. Wait a minute. Yeah, which is out there. Pantech Solutions or Pantech.ai. You just see here, there are already 12,454 reviews. So, guys, if you guys have enjoyed this complete like 30-day series, what you just do is you just go to this Google reviews and please write a paragraph kind of reviews, guys. So if you will do this, you just post, I will do Sanjay in a live chat, okay? Because it is really expected, because it is going to be really motivating our people to conduct this kind of free event a lot. Okay, if you guys are really loved and if you guys really enjoyed this series, what you just do is you just go to this Pantech Solutions or Pantech.ai, which is having already 12,454 reviews, and you just write a paragraph kind of reviews. Already there are a lot of people have written the reviews. You just also do this. Okay, if you really loved my session, please do this, guys. Okay, so yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I loved it, loved it. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Deepak, yes, Sanjay, I completed 3 course and I will do review about a paragraph. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Deepak, for doing that. Adiboy, I enjoyed the whole 30 days too. Thank you for teaching, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will watch your rest of internship videos. Thank you so much, Daniel. Wonderful. Great to have you. And Shailendra Dixit, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And some people came for attendance. Yeah, yeah. Jones, yeah, sure, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, do you guys have any questions to ask to me? Okay, please make use of it. If you guys have any questions which should be asked for me, you can also give your questions in the live chat so that I can answer, except attendance and certificate, guys. Please make use of it. Okay, all of the courses for lifetime. Yes, yes, it's for lifetime. Geetika, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Nikhil, what other masterclass are you going to take? Already, we have already taken, based on my list, I've taken AI masterclass, machine learning masterclass, data analytics masterclass, Python masterclass, deep learning masterclass, Arduino masterclass, and blockchain masterclass. And yeah, so these are all the courses I took. I think so. Or did I miss something? Yeah, these are all the courses I took. Joseph, Sanjay, I really enjoyed every session. When are we having the certificate? Definitely, we'll be having a certificate very soon. You'll be getting notified. Please wait nearly 10 days, might be. Okay, no question. Keep this teaching, please. You are great. Thank you so much. When is the next session, Sanjay? I'm really not sure. Definitely be notified. So please don't forget to follow me through the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. You just click the link and you can follow me through the LinkedIn. Okay. So guys, if you guys have any question, you can give your questions in the live chat. How to install BI, Tableau, and asking for the password. If it is asking for the password, please give the password, which is 123, or try 1234. Okay, if it is not working. Thank you, Sanjay. The whole month was fabulous and enjoy the session. Thank you so much, Tayaba, for posting that. It's wonderful. Daniel, yes, definitely I'll accept your invite. Please give your like request through the LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. Okay. So guys, do you guys have any question? Do you really want to ask something to me? Okay. You can ask to me so that we can share our information. Engineer Kabil. Good day, Sanjay. You are the best. When are we getting our certificate? Definitely we'll getting a certificate, guys. Don't worry. Amazing and dynamic personality. Thank you so much. Shailendra Dixit, thank you so much. Thanks a lot for your wonderful comment out there. Shubhada, thank you so much for wonderful class. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, great, great, great. Guys, do you guys have any questions which should be asked to me so that I can talk about it? We can share some information about something. Okay, refer common books for machine learning, AI, and data analytics. There are a lot of books out there. Definitely, I try to share some posts regarding that through my LinkedIn. Please follow me through the LinkedIn. Okay. Nikhil, I don't have LinkedIn. Does it help us in any way? Yes, it will help in some other way where you will be building your network. So, network in the sense, nowadays it's not been like if you are a creator, you can have an account in every social medias, but if you are a consumer, a LinkedIn account is really helpful on building our networks. So like the people who are all interested in the same field which we are in, so we can connect, get help from them. We can contribute others so they can contribute for ours. So you can build a network. Network building is really a very mandatory thing which you really wanted to do. So build your network, guys. Yeah. Along with the course, you can see taught us the moral things. Yes, thank you so much, Tayaba, for posting that. Yes. Guys, do you guys have any questions? There is data science masterclass going to take place. Not now. I'm not sure about the date. Not sure about the upcoming event, guys. Definitely be notified via any medium. So please follow us on the Instagram and in our YouTube and those stuffs. Again, thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, do you guys have any questions? If you guys have any questions, we can talk about it, or I'll end up the session. So please try to connect with me and try to explore as much concept you can regarding try to purchase self-help books, because technical only is not going to be really helpful. So with that, self-help books, try to read some of the self-help books. Money management books, try to read that kind of money management books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, and self-help books like this Atomic Habits, and that Psychology of Money, which is for money management, and like Attitude is Everything, a wonderful book, and like um, like some other books. So just try to explore some of the books and try to read it. Okay, so it'll be really helpful for you. Okay, so just gonna be really making us unique when comparing with the people around us. Okay, yeah, thank you, Sanjay, for the all classes, also motivation. Also, thank you so much, Shaikh, Rubina, and Nikhil. I was reading about Mahalanobis distance, fascinated me a lot. Okay, I'll note it down. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Okay, what is that? Okay, yeah, okay, I'll copy pasted in my Google. Okay, Mahalanobis distance. Okay, so it's a lot about measuring the distance between the two coordinate, which is also happening for some distance metrics. Okay, understood. Okay. Sir, I want to join again machine learning live session. Will you conduct? I'm really sorry. I'm not sure about the time. Deep learning is available in Tamil. Not sorry, it's not available in Tamil. Okay, guys. I think there is no questions. I think so. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. First of all, congratulations and great appreciation for the people who stayed till the end and the people who attended the complete 3 days and who came into this complete journey, who completed it, achieved it. So give you some acknowledgement, give you some reward for yourself, have something like to feel something like happy about it that you guys have completed this 30 days in 30 days session on machine learning. So thank you so much and congratulations for your love and support and the interaction which you guys have made throughout this series. So thank you so much, and I really love you guys. I really loved your interaction. I really loved each and every people who are all out there who just shown the enthusiasm towards learning. So who's just shown a lot of interest towards learning. Thank you so much. All the very best, and happy new year, guys. Happy year ahead. Try to purchase some books and try to start your new year with some any book. Okay, I've also purchased it, and definitely I'll be notified. I'll just notify you via my Twitter or my LinkedIn account. Okay, so you also start your year with your some productivity books or some self-help books, so that we'll be very aware of a lot of stuffs. Like we used to have a lot of problems, right? We used to have a lot of problem in our life. We are having problems in learning, we are having problems in money, we are having problems in relationship, we are having problems in every aspect. So we need to be aware of it. So awareness is the key. Okay, so that awareness you can get it from the books. So it might be audiobook, it might be whatever. So you can subscribe to Amazon like Audible, or you can subscribe to Kuku FM. It is also really doing good with a very less price. I think only 199 rupees. So try to subscribe for it. But I really love physical books instead of going for audio. I really love physical books, so that's why I always going for physical books. Try to get some books and try to read something about what you really in which you are facing a problem. Okay, try to find out that book and try to read those books, guys. Okay, all the very best. Have a great year ahead. Thank you so much and happy new year. So Shailendra, thank you Sanjay. Thanks to motivate us the new vision of mindset and happy new year with lots of new skills and prosperity and huge work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And Shubhadda Deshpande, happy new year in advance to all. Yes. And AJM, I deeply appreciate you, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Love you, sir. Love you tons. Shailendra, happy new year to all in advance. Happy new year, guys. Happy new year. Um, Deepak, thanks and happy new year wishes, Sanjay. Hoping to stay with you in other courses. Happy new year, guys. Happy new year. Priya, advance, happy new year. Happy new year, Ratanayaka. Happy new year. And Rutuja, happy new year. And Shai Grubina, happy new year in advance, Sanjay. Allah bless you all with good health and success. Thank you so much, Shai Grubina. Thank you. It's really a great honor. Thank you so much. Okay. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Okay. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Dajwer and Daniel and Hello World and Altaf, Ashish. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much. All the very best for your future. Stay connected with me. Stay connected with me on upcoming session. And yeah, so guys, are you there? Okay, don't go. So what about I'm just planning to write some book, okay, on regarding this AI. But I really don't want to come into the book journey where it is like theoretical, blah blah blah. So whenever we are just imagining about technical book, we used to imagine like it's like paragraphs, right? So guys, how about my idea? Okay, you just give your comments in the live chats. Like, what about this plan? Do you really love to get the book from me? If you really love to, you just post your comments in the live chat. And if you guys have any suggestion, like how the book need to be, okay, just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, that is gonna be the plan which I'm gonna be about to launch on my upcoming like 2023 on my year. So I'm just having the plan. Okay, so if you guys have any suggestions, so how you are expecting that book need to be, okay, just give your comments in the live chat so that I'll prepare like that. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so thanks, man, for all your support. Okay. Yes, I love to purchase a book. Great. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so definitely I'll try to make a book going to be very precise and it's gonna be launched on next year. Okay, so yes, within few days, our year's journey is gonna be started. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You speak a much. Okay. Tips and tricks, chart explanation. Yes, that's what the suggestion I expected, guys. Thank you so much. I need the book ASAP. Definitely. Go ahead and all the best. Thank you so much, Shailendra Dixit. And sorry, we make you speak a lot. No worries, Daniel. I'm really love to speak a lot. Okay. So, sir, please don't go. Stay. Thank you so much, Dudekla Sadaf, for posting that. Sorry, we make you speak a lot. No problem. I really love to because whenever the people are not talking, I always getting demotivated. My interaction is not good. So likewise, I used to think self thoughts, so self talks. So I always love to speak, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support, the interaction which you are making. Should contain practice question. Okay, I got it. Okay. Happy new to all. Definition and pictures. Okay, a lot of people are expecting pictures. I will. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Okay, thank you so much. He needs some rest. Let him grow. No problem, Daniel. I always used to interact a lot. I even maximum I just took classes around nearly 4 hours. I think four hours and 15 minutes. That is the maximum time I completely engaged with on the live. So this 1 hour is not going to be affect in any ways. I really love to help people out there. So whatever the question you want, you can ask. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much. Alone Rushin. Let it be more illustrative. Let it have practical explanation. Thank you so much, sir, Jim, for posting that. Awesome, Sanjay, today to live session. Yes. How we see the certificate. Definitely you'll be getting notified, guys. Don't worry about certificates. Thank you so much. Daniel, thank you so much, sir. It's really a great honor that you guys have posted. I really wanted to connect with you people. Okay, please don't forget to connect with me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description. Okay, so my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below, and you can also follow me on the Twitter as well. Let me give my Twitter ID, which is @Sanjay Kumar _AP. So let me give the link at Sanjay Kumar underscore AP. The people who are all not in LinkedIn, you can also connect with me through the Twitter. I'm just started my Twitter now, only now. So you can also connect with me through the Twitter. I just gave the ID. You can connect this. You can connect with me through the Twitter ID, which I've given in the live chat. Okay, Chat GPT is next future. Not it is not. We can't able to call that is in the next future because it is also having some problems, and there lot of people are already looking to create like a Chat GPT. There are a lot of clones, lot of similar functionality, and it might be advanced functionality. It also may come. It's not. We can't able to directly tell it's a future. So it can be a suggestion. It's really a great step ahead towards future. It's really a great step. Yeah. I sent you connect and followed on LinkedIn. Sorry for my time as I'm not from India and I missed some classes. No worry, sir. No worry. Thank you so much. We'll see you later. Definitely, sir. I learned a lot with your skilled, hardworking, and expressive personality. Thank you so much, Shailendra Dixit. Um, yeah, thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's been a really a great day. I really feeling happy. I just have a great day today. I just had a really a great day. I just thinking like why I missed the past live session. Why I haven't gone for the live session. Like the people who are here, so I missed that. But definitely I'll have more live session with you guys on the private community if you joined in the internship. So thank you so much for being more friendly, more interactive, more supportive. Thank you so much. I really love you tons. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to connect with me through LinkedIn or through Twitter. Thank you so much, guys. Daniel, I love you. You give examples on each and every problem. You know how to teach student in easy way. Thank you so much, sir. It's really a great honor. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. All the very best again. And Happy New Year again. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the next series.